Hello guys, welcome back to yet another video here at your favorite channel of your choice. Yes, Uncle Saint is my name. Yes, so today I'm here in Karoi at Royal Villa Lodge. Yes, Royal Villa Lodge. As you all know that whenever I'm here in Karoi, I will be sleeping and eating at Royal Villa. Yes, Royal Villa. So last time I executive and the standard rooms. So today I'm gonna be showing you their presidential suit. Yes. So today I'm not alone. I'm having a lady I'm going to be introducing to you so that she can tell us what to expect or what we have in this presidential suite. So come and see.
Right. First and foremost, I would like to say when you are at Royal Villa, you should feel a graceful hospitality in the heart of Karoi. Whenever you feel of hospitality, come to Royal Villa Lodge. So, this is our presidential suite. We have everything that you would need in a presidential suite. We already have it here. So don't worry when you are in Karoi. You just have to come at Royal Villa Lodge. So we start with the fan. We have the fan. You can move it right around wherever you are in this room. There are plugs that you can put it, and also we have got a fridge, a nice fridge. You can put everything that you have: beers, drinks, water. We also offer a complimentary water for our guests. So if you are in this room, if you are two, if you have your kids, if you have your wife, or you are alone, we offer you we offer you the complimentary water. So here you can relax here. You can even read or study or do your business. Or even if you don't want to go to the dining, you can eat here or drink. So also move to the dressing table. You can put your stuff here, these drawers, and also the lotions, the mirrors. We also go to the bathroom. If you'd like to use the tub, you can use the tub. We also offer hot water and cold water here. There's also soaps. They are there. And also, if you don't want to be in the tub, you can use the shower. It's here. It also have cold water and warm water. And then we go to the flush system and our basin here. You will go to the TV. Here our TV, it's a DS. We have a DS, and also have the facility to control your DSTV. Here in this room, you have your own remote. You can control it. You can choose the channel you want to have. So it's quite interesting that you don't have to trouble yourself going to the reception, say I want this channel. You can turn it on your own. So we move on to the bed. The bed. You feel welcomed here. You feel presidential. So this is our bed, our king size bed. You can see for yourself.
Sezvamangozvinzwira nditi sezvamangozvinzwira yarikaitomboriladza zvakuda kutoita tichirara ndo matiri kutorarawo meumambo. So thank you so much my sister for showing us this room. Thank you so much.